In this video we will talk about natural testosterone boosting supplements. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Testosterone support supplements, or testosterone aids, are meant to enhance your performance, increase muscle gains and make you bigger. Testosterone is the master male hormone. Testosterone supplementation can increase male sex drive, strengthen bones, muscles, decrease body fat, improve thinking ability, boost energy levels and guard against the onset of depression and heart disease. Testosterone is a powerful anabolic hormone that stimulates and controls the development of muscle, bone, skin, sex organs, and most other masculine, physical features. Recently, scientists have discovered that testosterone also aids mental function, enhancing both visual and perceptual skills. Male testosterone is produced in the testes by a group of cells known as the Leydig cells. These cells begin secreting high doses of testosterone during puberty to trigger increased lean muscle mass, sex organ development, bone formation and higher energy levels. Testosterone levels peak during a man's early to mid-20s. Testosterone in elderly men. As a man ages, the amount of testosterone produced by the cells decreases. By the age of 60, the average man will have lost nearly 50% of his testosterone supply. In addition, other factors, such as stress, lack of sleep, physical inactivity, the use of prescription medication and drinking, can cause testosterone levels to drastically decline. Although there is a growing awareness of the vital role testosterone plays in a man's overall health, the vast majority of men still don't recognize the key symptoms of testosterone deficiency. Testosterone deficiency and symptoms of testosterone deficiency symptoms include depression, fatigue, low sex drive, irritability, loss of facial/body hair, thinning and/or wrinkling of skin, weight gain, and the weakening of both bone and muscle tissue. Eventually, imbalances of testosterone can set the stage for the development of more serious disease. Low testosterone levels can also disrupt the body's blood sugar metabolism, leading to obesity and diabetes. Chronic deficiencies may also promote the early onset of osteoporosis and heart disease. Benefits of testosterone support supplementation. Testosterone supplements can increase your sex drive. Testosterone supplements increase muscle while decreasing fat. Testosterone supplements improve energy levels. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.